Hi, my name is Just Ibe and I am the president of the Association of African Startups. I know what it feels like to wake up every day and scroll through Instagram, Facebook, and maybe TikTok to find out what can I even post that will make people want to pay attention to me. Or if you do have a physical store, to begin to wonder what can I do to make people come into my physical store to patronize me. Know what, I have been there several years ago. I know when I started, I had to try all kinds of things, failed, lost money, before I started attending strategic trainings that built me to the woman that I am today, and it's now helping other people. And because we know at the Association of African Startups that what you need is a detailed and tailored learning curriculum that would help you, we have created that for you, because we know it's time for you to arise, shine, and let the world see that there is greatness in you. And so one of the best things you will do for yourself today is join the Association of African Startups, because everything that is a potential problem to your business today, it will be covered as a learning curriculum in the Association of African Startups, which is just one of the many things you're going to get being a member. And those particular thought leaders, consultants that you probably didn't have access to without paying heavily for, the association has absorbed the cost for you, so that all you are paying is your membership fee, and we are bringing them on board for you. And literally, this is for me a gift to Africa, and every African startup should do all they can to get into this, where they get the benefit of all the things they've ever desired, even if they're paying little or nothing to get it. And so right now, all you need to do is go to the link in our bio or www.taasafrica.org to join our membership. We cannot wait to see you. Thank you.